morning, my loved one. I want to say good morning. God bless you today and your family. And I hope you're having a great day. The sun is coming up outside. And as you know, we're in spring. And as you know, next month is summer. But it's already warm outside. So I know it's too late. I've been eating a lot and pour on too much weight. And get stressed out sometimes. So I'm back on trying to do my workout. So good morning. Good morning. Do a little bit of workout. And then I got to go get something to eat. And I try to post you guys something later. But I love you. Mwah. So as you can see, my tummy is going down. As you can see, it's going down because I got a short top on. I have a lot more to do. I know I got to firm up my legs because all these whales and cellulites in my damn leg. Yes, baby, cellulites in my leg. Anyway, yes, ma'am, yes. No, I didn't put no underwear because when I'm working out, I don't like to wear underwear when I'm working out because they get stuck up around your waist and they make it very uncomfortable. So that's why I don't use underwear when I'm working out. But I got some tights on. And they're comfortable, they're pretty stretchy, so they're good. So what I do, I like to pick these up. Push them. Too much cellulites in my thighs. When your legs and your thigh become one, that's not good. And my legs and my thighs start to become one. Like I have 3 knees. And instead of 3 knees, that ain't no good to have 3 knees, goddammit. 3 goddamn knees. How the hell you gonna have 3 knees? You ever heard somebody born with 3 knees? You know your ass is. So I go up. Whew. Whew. You go up. I'm gonna have to keep doing this for the next 10 months before I come good. So. And yeah, so this is where I got burned the last time. Tell you guys I got burned. And the burn is drying up now. It's going, so soon can cream and get out the spot here. And the belly is fat, like I tell you, not just the belly, but I got cellulites in my thighs and so on. So I just gotta keep pumping it, do a bunch of squats. I gotta get something to eat because I don't wanna be working out all the time. Not eating, I'm gonna even get more sags and more cellulites because you're losing more weight. We need to just firm it up. So I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love Gully Bop new song. I don't know if you heard his new song, God Bless His Soul. And big up to Gully Bop. And I don't know if you heard his new song. I love the new song. Him say nobody follow rumor. Girl smell like fair saltfish and tuna. Nobody follow rumor. Girl smell like saltfish and tuna. Girl smell like fast fish and tuna. Girl smell like saltfish and tuna. Now bother with the rumor. Pick up Gully Bop. I'm always up one of Gully Bop. Great fan. I am still is, no matter what. And God bless you all. You know, in this thing, it could make you and it could break you. You decide which one you wanted to do. You wanted to make you or you wanted to break you. But I love you and pick up Gully Bop. And so on. Yeah, I told him my nails was kind of crusty. I went to the foot place and I want to get my nails done the other day. Got some gel polish on my nail, just one polish, but they have all this color in it. It's a gel polish. I also got my feet the same color. Same color, big feet, girl. Same color, can't see my feet. Same color on my toes. Whoops, can't even see it. Same colors on my toe, and so on. So, I love you and have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. I love you.